In this video, I'm going to show you how I winterize my gardening. In the fall, it's a good thing to go out into your garden, do all your pruning, all your prep, an hour or two, it depends on how big your garden is, and then get it ready. I'm going to explain to you what the cardboard does, how it works, and the whole thing. Now, what I do each year to make it easy to plant the following year, to cut holes in your cardboard, plant, if the cardboard is not gone, decayed or in the soil, cut holes, plant your seeds, and your garden starts off fresh. Leaving the cardboard in your garden on top of the weeds and stuff will actually kill the grass, kill the roots. The roots will decay in the ground and go down as openings for your microbes, worms, etc. It's a win-win situation, people. When you decide to plant, you're not fighting grass and grass roots. All you got to do is rake back your top compost. If the cardboard is not totally degraded, cut a little egg, plant a seed, leave it open. That seed will grow. Your grass is all dead. By the time that seed matures and is checking out, bearing fruit, it'll be almost buried out and dead before your grass finally works up. It's a low maintenance, absolutely great method.